What is a safety tip everyone should know about? Firefighter here. Sleep with your doors shut at night. Helps prevent fire spread, smoke inhalation. Be able to crawl, blindfolded, out of every room in your house. Make sure everyone in your home knows what to do in the event of a fire, where to meet afterward, etc. If you have kids, explain to them that firefighters may look scary in full turnout gear, but they cannot be afraid of us. Friendly reminder, while I have your attention, check the batteries in your smoke detector. They truly are lifesavers.